Yeah, okay. So guys, in this video we are going to see about auto increment. As you can see here, I'm going to create a table called student. Inside the student, I'm going to have this student ID, which is integer, and the name. Okay, only the two columns as of now I'm having. And for this column called student ID, I'm going to mention as auto increment. Okay. So what is the use of auto increment is, even though if I am not providing any value, automatically it will get incremented. Okay, this is the reason it should be auto increment, and it should be primary key. As we all know, primary key means it should not be duplicate and it should not be null as well. So this should be along with this auto increment. Okay, so whenever we are making this column as auto increment, it should be primary key as well as it should be not null. And this we don't need to provide the value. If you are providing a value, that will insert it. Otherwise, without the value if you are providing, automatically it will get inserted. Okay, let's see the example now. Okay, so now I am going to create a table called student ID is marked as a auto increment. Okay, click on apply. As you can see here, now this will be executed. Okay, now we are having the column called table called student. Okay, so as we all know how to insert the data, so let me do it now. Okay, so first I will select the data from the student table. So SCLE select star from student. As of now we are not having any data. As you can see here, the table is empty now. Okay, so using the insert query, I will insert the data. So insert into student. Okay, so values, I think we are going to insert only for the name column, and the name is has to be test actually. Okay, so here one more thing, as you can see here in the student table we are having the student ID, but I am not providing any value. Okay, so let me insert it. As you can see here, the result is successful, as you can see here. Now I am going to insert one more row, which is called a test one. So it is also inserted. Okay, so now let me go for this getting the student from the table. As you can see here, now I am having a 2 student, but I didn't give any student ID, but it has the value called to 1 and 2. Okay, this is because this column is mentioned as auto increment as well as primary key. So whenever we are creating the data for this student table, automatically this value will get increased actually. Okay, this is called auto increment. Auto increment will be useful to increment the value without providing value during the insertion. Okay.
Okay guys, so if you have any questions or any queries related with programming, post in the comments, we will help you. Thank you.